Your Honor, I would like to withdraw this petition because the main case...
Who are you?
The counsel, Your Honor, for the petitioner.
We were told Hamid Khan साहब आप हैं इसमें? आप नहीं इस केस में?
Actually, the case before the Peshawar High Court has been...
हमारे सामने काउंसिल कौन है ये बता दें. आपने कल परसों कहा था कि मैं हूँ काउंसिल.
जी सर.
आप नहीं है काउंसिल?
जी sir, I'm a counsel in this case, but actually this case against interim order, which now the final arguments have been addressed yesterday before the Peshawar High Court. And
no, you didn't stand up. I'm simply asking a simple question. Are you counsel?
Yes, I'm counsel in this case.
That's all, because tomorrow कोई आएगा कहेगा जी मैं किसने ऑथराइज किया विड्रॉ करना. We have to be careful. We have to protect Council's interest first and foremost. आप इसमें council हैं या party?
Yes, of course, Your Honor, I am a counsel as well because I have filed it, I have dropped.
But Mr. Hamid Khan is a senior counsel.
Yes, Your Honor, but
we have stopped respecting senior counsel.
No, Your Honor, he said.
जब पुराना रिवाज होता था तो senior मौजूद हो तो junior नहीं बोलता था.
ठीक है, Your Honor.
अगर senior नहीं हो तो फिर junior address करता था.
जी, Your Honor.
तो अभी ये तो हम पुरानी थोड़ी I'm old fashioned. We just follow traditions. You want to withdraw this petition?
Yes, Your Honor, I want to.
चलिए इसमें लिखें. जी ठीक. और अली जफर साहब भी इस केस में हैं.
Yes, Your Honor.
उनको तो एतराज नहीं है विड्रॉल पे?
नहीं, Your Honor, वो पेशावर में जी.
अच्छा, इसमें लिखिए इन सब के नाम लिख दें. मिस्टर सीनियर लर्नेड सीनियर काउंसिल हामिद खान, मिस्टर हामिद खान एंड लर्नेड मिस्टर गौर अली खान, request for withdrawal of this petition, full stop. Accordingly, this petition is dismissed as withdrawn.